Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Please guys, if this is your first time coming across my channel, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Thank you. Today I will be talking about the Star Life series Lost in Love, how Savi finally exposed how Arshika and Ursh killed Kian at last to the family, and Arshika finally confessed how she killed Kian, and Savi is proven innocent. The episode starts when the doctor informs the Bossel family that Savi is pregnant and congratulates her. Savi pleads with the doctor to keep her pregnancy a secret, and the doctor agrees before leaving. Shantanu asks Isha if she is happy for Savi. Isha replies that she is happy but uncertain about advising Savi on whether to save her marriage. Savi approaches Shantanu, asking for the papers Dharam brought so she can sign them. Shantanu suggests she inform Rajat and the Thakur family about her pregnancy, but Savi refuses, stating that Rajat is moving on. She declares the baby to be hers alone and decides to keep the news from Rajat and his family. Later, in her room, Savi cries, vowing never to forgive Rajat for separating her from Sesha. Meanwhile, Tara intercepts the papers from a delivery boy and informs Bhagyashri and Rajendra that Savi has signed them, remarking, "Good riddance." Rajendra reminds Tara of Savi's contributions to their family, while Bhagyashri comments on the situation. Rajendra urges Bhagyashri to ensure Sai doesn't find out about Savi's departure or Ashika's new role in her life. Ashika overhears their conversation. Ashika spends time with Sai, feeding her and engaging in conversation. When Sai mentions Savi, Ashika reveals that Savi has left despite Sai's insistence that she wants Savi back. Ashika responds to Sesha's pleas. As Savi and Rajat prepare to go to court, Savi daydreams about Rajat reconciling with her after discovering her pregnancy. She imagines him saying he doesn't want a divorce and hugging her, but she quickly snaps back to reality. At court, the judge asks Savi and Rajat if they have no intention of continuing their marriage. Both confirm, and the judge finalizes their divorce. While at court, Savi notices someone receiving an OTP and tells Milind they can check Jadav's phone to uncover who ordered Kian's murder. Milind agrees. Savi attends a gaming tournament to collect the phone numbers of attendees present on the day of Kian's abduction. She identifies Jadav's number and requests his call records from the SIM company. Though informed it will take a few days, Milind uses his connections to expedite the process and obtains the records. After reviewing the call logs, Savi discovers who ordered Kian's murder. She attempts to call Rajat, but he doesn't answer. Determined, she contacts Ashika and reveals she knows the identity of the person behind Kian's murder. Savi tells Ashika that she knows who ordered Kian's murder, prompting Ashika to panic. Fearing Savi's growing closeness with the Thakur family and Rajat, Ashika takes Sai and leaves abruptly. Savi learns from the maid Kavita and the driver Jayesh that Ashika left in a car with Sai and pursues them. Milind informs Savi that Ashika was present at the gaming tournament, and Savi deduces that Jigar is behind Kian's death. Meanwhile, Ashika calls Jigar, informing him that Savi knows the truth. Jigar advises her to go to Uptown and promises help. Ashika hides with Sai at an amusement park, misleading Sai into thinking they are playing hide and seek with Savi. Savi tracks them to the amusement park, sends a voice message to the family group revealing Ashika's actions and Jigar's involvement, and continues searching for them. Ashika hides in a mirror room, but is eventually spotted by Savi. Ashika, holding a glass shard, wants Savi to stay back, blaming her for the loss of one child. In her panic, Ashika slips on a bottle, and Sai runs to Savi for safety. Ashika accidentally steps on a bottle and slips, allowing Sai to rush towards Savi. Sai pleads with Savi not to leave her and Savi agrees. However, Ashika uses a glass shard to slush Savi and forcefully takes Sai away. Jigar then knocks Savi unconscious by hitting her on the head with a rod. When Savi regains consciousness, she finds herself tied to a pillar. She questions Jigar about tying her up and warns him not to touch her. Jigar confesses his obsession with her and moves closer, but Savi headbutts him to push him away. Accusing him of killing Kian, Savi demands answers. Jigar denies involvement and refuses to reveal anything, taunting her that no one will rescue her. At that moment, Rajat arrives, furious at Jigar for harming Savi. He attacks Jigar and frees her from the ropes. When Jigar tries to retaliate, Savi warns Rajat, who defends himself and overpowers Jigar. Savi urges Rajat to interrogate Jigar about Kion's murder, as Jigar hinted she didn't know the full truth. Rajat complies and questions Jigar through force. Meanwhile, the Thakur family is held hostage by Arsh and his gang. Arsh confronts Rajat and Savi, mocking Rajat for being easily deceived. He taunts Rajat further, asking if he knows who betrayed him the most. One of Arsh's goons interrupts, reporting that Arshika and Sai attempted to escape, but were captured. As Sai tries to approach Savi, Arsh stops her, threatening violence. Rajat warns Arsh that if anything happens to his daughter, he won't spare him. Arsh turns to Ashika, ridiculing her dependence on men and accusing her of betrayal. Ashika responds by admitting she regrets trusting him and now only cares about Rajat and her daughter. Arsh beats Rajat with a stick, calling him a fool and revealing a shocking truth. Ashika was the one who orchestrated Kion's kidnapping and death. He accuses Ashika of being the biggest deceiver and points a gun at her, demanding she confess. Under pressure, Ashika admits that she saw Rajat and Savi in an intimate moment. Fearing she would be cast out of the household, she conspired with Jigar to have Kion kidnapped, and Jigar agreed to help. Thanks guys, I will see you all in the next update of Lost in Love. Thanks. Please guys don't forget to like and subscribe.